This is a review of the iPhone 16 Pro Max case cover that I'm going to be doing a review about. And this review, we're going to pretty much go into all the details and show you guys all the stuff about this cover and why this cover might be one of the best covers to get for your iPhone 16 Pro Max. And we're going to now start off by unboxing this and showing you guys what you get inside this package. So this is all the stuff that includes in this package. You can see here we got two anti-glare screen protectors, and these two anti-glare screen protectors, that's going to be used to install for your new iPhone 16 Pro Max, the phone itself. And it comes with two of them just in case if you ever by chance mess up, then you have another one, or if your other one gets damaged by any chance, then you got an extra one. And this right here is also the installation instructions. It's the patch installation cleaning kit, and it comes with the instructions on how you exactly pretty much install the screen protector onto the surface of the iPhone 16 Pro Max. But this is premium silicone material, and it looks really amazing. It's a hot pink color, and pretty much the videos doesn't do the justice on how amazing this looks like. It's super soft and it feels super comfortable, and it feels very high quality. That's the most important thing about an iPhone 16 Pro Max, cases. If you're looking for quality, this does have the quality, extremely high quality. It feels super soft, like I mentioned. It has the MagSafe. You can see right here, it has the MagSafe charger, so you can pretty much if you get the MagSafe charger, you can pretty much charge it up like that. And the case cover looks very protective, and also the one of the things I like about this iPhone 16 Pro Max case is that it comes with the screen protectors to pretty much protect your camera lens right over here. You can see here, so it protects your camera lens just in case if by chance if it falls down, it will protect the lens around it. It looks really amazing. I also love the fact that it comes with the dogs, the stickers as well too. So if you want, you can pretty much decorate it if you want to. This optional preference wise. And right here, like I mentioned before, the installation instructions to pretty much install these two anti-screen protectors, and these are scratch resistant, and it protects your iPhone 16 Pro Max from not getting damaged. So it comes with two of them. It also comes with the brand of what it is about, pretty much the instruction details on everything, and then thank you. Pretty much it comes with the card. It looks really amazing as well too. But overall, I would definitely recommend this iPhone 16 Pro Max case because of the fact that it looks really amazing. The hot pink really stands out, looks fantastic. I love the color. It looks very better. Videos doesn't do the justice. It looks really fabulous and amazing. And best of all, if you're, if you want everything all in one, so it comes with the screen protector. So these screen protectors pretty much protect your iPhone from getting scratched. And I love the fact it comes with two of them just in case if you mess up, or if by chance, if one of them gets damaged, then you have an extra one just in case. But yeah, I would definitely recommend this product if you're looking for a new iPhone 16 Pro Max case for your brand new iPhone 16 Pro Max. Then this by far is one of the best ones that you could get, and I would highly recommend this iPhone 16 Pro Max case cover to everyone.